How to put Kia Telluride in service mode full guide. Most people get this wrong, but putting a Kia Telluride in service mode is crucial for maintenance tasks. You won't believe how easy it is once you follow the exact procedure. Start by turning the ignition on without starting the engine. Make sure all doors are closed and the vehicle is in park. Next, press and hold the odometer reset button while turning the ignition to the on position. Keep holding the button until the display shows service mode or say. This confirms that the car is now in maintenance mode. In service mode, certain features like automatic door locks, airbags and the engine start function may be disabled to allow safe inspection and repairs. You can now perform tasks such as tire rotations, oil changes and brake inspection safely. When finished, turn off the ignition and release the odometer button. Turn the car back on normally and the Telluride will exit service mode automatically. In conclusion, placing a Kia Telluride in service mode involves turning on the ignition, holding the odometer button until confirmation, performing maintenance, and exiting mode by restarting the vehicle. Follow these steps to maintain your SUV safely and efficiently.